Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our shout out assembly. It's Friday the 19th of March and we're here for years 3, 4, 5 and 6. For all of you children again out there who've been working tirelessly throughout this week. And there are lots of you, lots and lots in each of your year groups. So thank you Key Stage 2, thank you everyone for coming back, for working so hard just in our second week back. It is amazing. And it's making me smile and making me feel really proud to be head teacher of Mile Cross Primary School. So thank you everyone. This is our last shout out before Easter, because next Friday we've got presentation assembly. So let's see if many of these children, and I'm sure there are lots of them, who will earn themselves certificates next Friday. Okay, so the last shout out before Easter. Looking forward to presentation assembly next week. So look out for that everyone. So we'll start off this morning. Here we go. Look at these shout outs. I know Mr. Ackerman is really proud of these year threes. Here we go. We've got Thea, we've got Alea, we've got Heather, Willow, Oscar, Tilly, and Alfie Jack. Look at that. You've got the caring hands there for the young carers. We celebrated them on Tuesday, but these guys have been working super hard all week. Not only have they produced some amazing young carers and they've coloured in these hands which look beautiful, but they've been working so hard right the way through the curriculum. And I know Mr. Ackerman is really proud of them. Well done guys, and who knows, we'll see if some of you win some certificates next week as well, so look out for that. Mr. Pinners, look at Mr. Pinners' style. Look, thumbs up for a superb return to school. Absolutely. In that second week again, look at Oliver, look. Thanks Oliver. Just makes me smile. But look at all these guys. We've got Olivia and Ruben, Sienna and Blake. We've got Dylan, Dexter, Lily, Subhan, Amelia, Lena, Jack, Alana, Claudia, Alex, Harry and Ria, Andrea, Ivor, Sophie, Abby, Bella, Michael, Tyler, Bentley, Gemma and Layla. Look, seriously, you guys, I know it's amazing. I know Mr. Pinner's off, sadly, at the moment. But he will be back with us at some point, maybe after Easter, we hope. So I know that you guys have been working so hard in his absence. And Miss Marquez has been really proud of all the hard work that you have done this week. So please keep impressing her. Who knows, some of you might be winning certificates again next week, but please keep helping out Miss Marquez because you've been fantastic. I know she's really proud of every single one of you, so well done. Miss Musselwhite, look at Miss Musselwhite Superstars, look at these big smiley faces, it's lovely to see. Honestly, you year fives, you keep cheering me up, so thank you. So we've got Bart, we've got Dragos, we've got Kenzie, Janisa, we've got Raquel, Oscar, Aston, Olivia, Zane, Bianca, Goda, Kendrick, Joshua, Jessica, Deanna and Lamin. Year 5 superstars. Thank you guys. And I know again, Miss Musselwhite just keeps telling me how you guys are absolutely on it. From the minute you get into school till the end of the day. Thank you, because that really makes my job so much easier. So keep it up guys. Thank you so much. We've got now, look at these shout outs. Shout out for showing kindness and helping others. Look at these year 4s. They absolutely have. And I know Miss Barrett is really proud. It's this kindness and helping others that I just love to see. And I love seeing children being so kind and helping others. So we've got Bella, we've got Liza, Racer, Ellie, Lily, Reggie, Reese, Riley, Alicia and Jessica. Look at these smiling. I mean, because they're helping others. Look at them. Aren't they just amazing? Well done, guys. Thank you so much from me. Keep it up. And who knows, some of you might be getting certificates next week. So keep your fingers crossed. I'm hoping for you all. Well done. Oh, Miss Arthurton's. Look at these superstars. Spelling Shed, Town 7 Rockstars, Read Theory. You guys, I know, and Miss Arthurton just keeps saying, you just are, some of you just on there so often and getting such high scores. So keep that up. Well done. So we've got Sophia, Fabian, Lily Mae, Adriel, Evie, Connor, Milana, Kieran, Freya, Lily, Ashton, Martin, Summer, Amelia, Damien, and Erica. Look at that, just absolute amazing superstars. Adriel just got something very special to say and to show for Adriel as well. Because not only is he getting a shout out for being just amazing and that, but actually he's getting a shout out for earning himself a certificate. Look at this. He's absolutely a talent for writing. Adriel's got one of his stories published in a book that's coming out that we will get in school. So it's absolutely amazing. He wrote a story, we entered a competition, and he got chosen as one of the stories to go in the book. And so this is his certificate, which he'll be taking home. I'm so proud of him, so really well done, Adriel. I know I've said this already to you. He's up on my wall downstairs as well. So huge congratulations, buddy. Really well done. Proud of you. Moving on. Look out, Mr. Davison stars, look at this. Returning to school with a wonderful attitude. Now, this is the slide from last week. Mr. Allen put the wrong slide up last week, so apologies to Year 6s, but this is the slide from last week that I should have put up. So this is for last week's shout-outs, and the one after is I've got this week's shout-outs. But we've got here Ella raising her hand consistently and answering questions all the while. Mason for excellent reading. Harlow, great effort in all lessons. We've got Amelia continuing to work diligently. We've got Ellie earning raffle tickets by the bucket load. Well done. Tedas, thoughtful contributions. Nellas, always on task. We've got Scarlett contributing to class learning. Sophie, a very positive return. Big smiles and just getting on. Leon, setting an example for all. Jamie, sharing many interesting facts. And then Ruby, beginning work immediately. So you Year 6s, apologies for last week. Here is your shout out. It's a week late, I know, but apologies, but there it is. So really well done. On to this week's shout outs for Mr. Davison is, here we go, look at this, look, here we go. Trying their best in every aspect of learning. Absolutely. Daniel, fantastic work in science, and I've seen that. It's amazing, Daniel. Keep it up. Well done. Mason, listening and contributing. Neve, great effort in all lessons. Lola, always trying her best. Emily, raising her hand regularly and answering questions. Really positive to see. Nellis, again, brilliant work in English. We've got Nassim, being extremely polite. He really is, all the time. Nikolai, brilliant effort in maths. Katie, a very positive return and a really positive attitude as well. Julia, contributing to lessons and lots of lessons as well. Summer, being a role model. And then Sophie, always asking questions, building on last week. So massive shout out to you guys. Well done. Keep it up. And I know some of you will be earning certificates next week. So really a great start back. Thank you. Well done. And here we go. Look, Miss White. Look at these superstars. Absolutely massive and big smiles on their faces as well. It's amazing. We've got Eric. We've got Emily, we've got Joseph, we've got Milana, Millie, Regan, Christopus, Esme, Mandy, Fiona, Mia, Charlemagne, Eva, Pandora, Eric and Mahir. Look at these guys working so hard. So many of you working so hard. Miss White is really impressed with every single one of you. Mandy, lovely big smile on your face, just making me smile as well. So please keep up that amazing work. And I know lots of you, I'm sure, will earn certificates at Presentation Assembly next week. I am positive of it. Keeping my fingers crossed for you guys, so well done. You go, look out, Miss Percy, star workers for impressing us with their attitude and behaviour and effort. We've got Lorenzo, we've got Callum, Lewis, Deanna, Isabel, Zara, Cody and Aston. Some amazing shout-outs. But I've got one more shout-out as well. Look at this. Because here, another Year 6. A Year 6 this time, earning themselves a certificate and a talent for writing, which is Scarlett. Scarlett was the other child from Marlcross Primary School who had their story and is going to have their story published in the book. So that's 2 children from Marlcross Primary School who wrote stories for this book in 100 words, and they were able to get their story published. So really well done, Scarlett. So proud of you. Obviously, this certificate will be coming home with you as well. Congratulations, I'm really impressed. And it's really lovely as well, again from Mr. Allen, to have 2 children from Marlcross Primary School get their stories published in this book. So well done. Thank you. I am proud of you both. Well done. Obviously, keep on earning raffle tickets, guys. Come on. Watch the Golden Ticket Assembly as well today. When you watch that, you'll see at the end, there's a little bit of video which shows you some of the eggs you could be winning. Okay, so we've got one more week, earn yourself more tickets because I know you all have been. So keep it up, guys. Well done. Final message as always, and I'll keep repeating this because we are still in lockdown. Obviously, please stay home, protect Marlcross and help Mr. Allen to keep school open. We've got to keep doing this. Please don't ask to go around each other's houses. We are still in lockdown. Yes, we may be back at school, but we are still a nation in lockdown, and we have to keep it that way to help me to keep school open. Have a great weekend and see you next week. Bye-bye now.